My name's James McCagan and I'm an energy engineering apprentice for SGN. My main role at the moment is to help support the team leader and the mates on site with different variations of jobs. It could be a gas escape, a new connection, an alteration, a damage. But my main role at the moment is to support where I can until I'm further qualified, where I'll then be able to take on more tasks and more work. Having previously been in an apprenticeship that didn't go so well, I kind of found SGN to be slightly different, slightly more advanced with what information they gave, so I could see where I was going to be at what point, and I'm able to track my apprenticeship and what I'm learning and what qualifications I'll get. But one of the things that I would actively encourage about an apprenticeship is that you earn a decent wage whilst learning. It's not always something that I thought was available to me when I was younger. Being that I'm 29 now, when I was 16, most people who did apprenticeships they went through family members to go work with their dad, and it's not something I ever considered, being 29 and being an apprentice. I think it's given me a better understanding of how a career works, because a lot of my friends, they do jobs and they do the same thing every day, and they say they're quite bored. Being an apprentice, I'm learning so many different new things that when I finally reach a further point in my career path and I'm fully qualified, I'll have so much more responsibility and I'll be earning a decent wage with that. I'd recommend others becoming an apprentice because it's a good way to learn, it's a good way to gain a trade as well, more specifically, and whilst earning a good wage alongside that. And you're not only starting from a job and having to learn the hard way, you're learning through an apprenticeship and getting a qualification alongside other people who are experienced.